The first time when we came here, it was really impressive.
It was brilliant.
Yeah. We thought it would be more like a hospital, and it doesn't look like a hospital. It looks like a holiday house. It does.
It does, yeah. It does, yeah. We feel like we would be in a hotel.
Sandra and Michaal have come to Littlebridge House for the weekend.
I know it might sound really bad, but actually I think we were over the moon to give Misia away and have some time for ourselves.
Yeah.
Misia cannot communicate and needs round-the-clock care.
Is it a bit bright? You do like being outside, don't you?
We knew that we will be in love with this place. We finally felt that we've got that support that we needed. Every single person here is really devoted. The possibilities that they can do here, it's just amazing. We know that we wouldn't be able to give her even half of that if we wouldn't come here, so... You can be as involved in the care or in the things that they're doing as much as you want to or as less as you want to. They won't judge you for that. I think at the beginning I felt really, really bossy because I've been, oh, you need to do it this way, you need to do it this way, you need to... And they were really laid back about it and it's like, yeah, we will do it, yeah, that's fine. It's your way at the end of the day, it's your child, so we want you to feel comfortable, and that's another plus, because they won't do it their way, they will do it your way, however you want it to. So it's great, it's brilliant.
Come sail with me upon the ocean blue.
If you want them to take over, go for it. Let them take it over. Everything in here is done for the children and for the parents, rather the way around. And every single parent with disability, with children with disabilities, they know how difficult it is to find a professional who's actually for you and not the other way around. So we're really happy that they are for us. The staff at Littlebridge House, they are for us. So yeah, it is great.